something. Not that. Yeah, I got an idea. And let's stay there. I'm going to go get something. Okay. I got the stuff, Nisha. Do you know what are we going to make? No. Or how? Okay. So, first we'll make this up and make it in the middle. Yes, it is. So, we'll take this and put it in the middle. Take from here. Switch. Here. Put this. Okay. We'll take this little rubber band and put it in the corner. We'll put another rubber band there.
Ian, can I help you?
Yeah.
Tell me. Let me try for you. You need to take and put it in the corners.
Okay, almost done with the rubber bands. It's almost done. Okay, that fell. Okay, there is still extra here. Okay, so
We need to put these 4 rubber bands in the corners and 1 in the center. Now we will put the googly eyes, as Nisha's favorite color is blue. So let me bring the glue.
we'll also add some of these stickers. You don't have to add some of these. This is just for decoration. Okay, so time for eye number 1. Because it's not a sticker, or if it is a sticker it does not stick properly, we are going to do like this with hot glue. Now the second eye is coming, and next we're doing the mouth that's lastly paper.
Sponge and make the thing.
Okay, we're done with that. It's time for the mouth next.
No.
And now we can put 1 sticker over here.
Okay, which sticker do you like? Silver.
Oh yeah.
We're going to add this here. As you said, you want silver. Okay guys, we are ready. Look how it looks. Okay.
I'm so happy. Thank you.
Welcome. Here you go.
Thank you. Hi guys.
Okay guys, I want to make another one. Okay, so it looks like this.
Yeah.
Can we swap? You can pick.
Yes.
Oh yeah, that's different. Got it.
Yellow.
Bye guys.
Bye guys. You can make a toad.
Okay guys, try to make this at home if you want.